Babe, what's up now? What's your plans for this evening?
Okay, I'll soon be going home, sir. It's late, so I have some stuff to do at home.
Soon be going home?
Yeah.
Tonight? I thought you were gonna spend the night here.
No, babe. I don't like spending the night at strangers' house.
Am I a stranger to you?
I didn't say so, like...
Then please just stay over. We can get to know ourselves, we can talk, We'll just, get to know ourselves very well.
Okay, but I don't like sleeping in a bedsheet that another person has slept on,
The bed sheet, is the bed sheet a problem?
Babe.
Okay, calm down. I got you. Calm down. If the bed sheet is going to be a problem, I think I have one inside there. Let me go get it for you. Just hold on. Let me get it for you. Okay. So, okay, no one has used this one anyway. I just got it from the dry clean, okay? So, we can use this one, okay?
Nah, babe. You're prepared.
I just want you to stay with me. It's not a
Okay.
big deal. I'm not gonna harm you. So what's the problem? So let's use this one, okay?
Fine, but I can't sleep on these clothes. The clothes is so uncomfortable.
You're in my house. I have clothes. Okay, fine. I'll get another one for you. Are you okay with that?
Like another one?
Yes, I have clothes. You can wear my clothes. Okay? Just hold on. Let me get it for you. I don't know. You just keep on complaining over nothing. Okay? Okay, see this. See this. You can have this, okay? I just want you to stay, okay? I don't want to listen. I don't think anything negative, okay? I just want you to stay.
Okay, fine. You've won. No problem.
So you put on this one, huh? You're going to use
But
this.
one more thing. I hope you don't snore.
Snore?
I hate it with everything in me. Hope you don't snore. Please.
No. So let me tell you, I'm going to stay awake. I'm going to watch you sleep, okay?
Are you sure?
Trust.
You don't snore.
Snore. Babe, stop.
It's okay, no
Stop.
problem.
Okay, so I don't know. Do you need to take your bath or something?
Yeah, let me just use the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
I'm very ready.
Okay. Let me show you to the bathroom.
God have mercy upon us.
Which kind of gorilla wey me and day like this? See person wey say wey they ask me if I snore. Let me record that so that tomorrow morning she will understand. See herself snoring. Nah, onye akpọwo onye ime ọhịa o. Keep on doing. Ah, babe. You awake?
Yeah, I couldn't even sleep. You're just snoring so.
Huh?
You were snoring. I couldn't sleep.
It is
Me,
smoky.
snore. Babe. Me, snore.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Did you observe yourself last night?
How do you mean?
Like, were you really observing your surrounding or everything that happened last night? Mm-hmm. Almost. Okay, just don't worry. Let me show you something. Huh? Okay. Just hold on. Let me show you something. Look at you here last night. See you. Let me show you what. Have you seen it?
AI.
AI.
Mm.
Does it look like AI?
It's not really me. Like,
It's not really you.
the other of my personality.
The other of your personality.
Sometimes it's.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't sleep last night. You saw you
Think
feel
say they
about-
wise?
Baby, my baby.
That me. Why your mother? But it's fine. It's fine. Last night was very hectic. You know, I couldn't sleep because of the whole saga. You know, but it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Do you have is there breakfast? You know. so
Okay. You have energy to
You be mumu.
snore
You
more.
think say they wise?
My baby, my baby.
Yeah, but there's no problem. Let me see if I can get something for you, okay?
Okay,
But it's not a problem, okay? You know, I'm a gentleman.
Yeah. My baby, my baby.
Yeah, it's
Love
me.
you.
I love you too.